Hello, friends. This is Gautam Govindan.
This is Shamik Chakrabarti.
This is Somnath Party.
And this is Broke Studio, the podcast with...
No edits.
He watches things in 2x all the time. Dude.
Yeah, man.
You also do this?
Yeah, I've gotten
here
to
we
it.
You watch
go.
movies?
I'm still stuck at 1.35 now.
Oh, you have the plugin
Yeah, I
which
have the
gives
plugin.
the...
Yeah.
So you watch all movies at
Yeah,
fastest.
dude.
What's
Once
wrong
you
with
go there,
Yeah.
you can't turn back,
You know
bro.
which,
This is what
which
I'm
movie you
saying.
can't which movies you can't watch Korean movies in any more than 1x because like it's already very fast cut.
Yes.
And to read you can't read that
That's
fast,
why they
right?
did it.
It's a
That's
reading
why they
test at
did
that point.
No, so now there's like Korean movie and the audiobook of the movie at the same time has to
Yeah.
come and you have to be like...
Bro, even if you...
Yeah.
I don't want to... I'll get hate, but if it's any live sports also, I'm like, man, make it faster,
you
Yeah.
bro.
faster?
And it's not good, actually.
Yeah, especially when Kohli's batting in T20s, right? Come on, dude, little bit speed. Now we get the hate.
Yeah. You can't
Yes.
attack cricketers, bro. You
Dude,
can
that'd
attack
be
anyone.
epic if you're watching cricket and you put 2x and he hits a 6 immediately. He's been batting slow. But how can you do that, dude? It's what you said. Once you go there, it's tough
Yes,
to come back.
yes.
And I'm scared of like...
No, you know what I do?
Yeah.
I go to like 1.75x, listen for 10 seconds, and then come back to 1.25, and then 1.25 is like normal.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
like
Yeah.
you're running
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
weights on your legs.
Yeah, I'm
Then you
priming
take it
my
off your
brain.
front.
Yes, it started with documentaries, bro.
Yeah.
That's where I got in.
Yeah.
Because Netflix documentaries, some of them are good, some of them they just keep repeating the same point
Yeah.
again and again.
Yeah,
like
why-
active
sorry,
voice,
how-
passive voice.
Here's an idea.
Yeah.
How about you don't watch it? How do you stop that one?
Dude, come on,
Netflix has
man.
that option also. You know, you can say stop. No, I have to finish this fully.
That's one of the reason I don't watch a lot of things on TV because you can't make it
High
faster.
commitment.
Yeah.
Also high commitment.
The TV
Yeah,
is
yeah.
over. Who's watching anymore? Like, I mean, you're watching OTT only.
Yeah,
right?
OTT, but you can't make it 1.25x on TV.
Oh,
No,
can't.
you can.
How?
On the Netflix, you
Net-
can. YouTube, you can.
YouTube you can.
Ah.
Netflix and all don't have that.
Oh.
Prime doesn't have that. Hotstar doesn't have
Prime
that.
has that horrible habit of in between the series, they're like, "Do you like it?
Yeah.
Tell me, you like it, no?
Yeah.
You like it, right?" It's just like, shut up.
Daddy, tell me you like it.
Look, I saw the guy, my Uber driver was watching on 1.25. I'm like, you focus on the road, dude. He's like, it's too slow for him. I'm like, how about you drive, huh? That's not enough.
Dude, nowadays if I see a Uber driver or a Ola guy
Yeah.
not watching anything, I'm like, this guy's
Bro.
a reader, bro.
Yeah.
He's a smart
Dude,
guy.
I watched Param Sundari, by the way. I paid $150 and watched it.
Good, huh?
Dude, it's like I thought I will laugh at like how stupid it is.
Yeah.
I got angry. It was like really
Sorry,
like
but
racist.
I don't know what is
So it is
Param Sundari.
basically
Who is the lead of Param
Siddharth
Sundari?
Malhotra. Siddharth Malhotra is a rich kid
Huh.
whose dad is like, you have to come to the family business, and he's like, no, dad, come on, I just want to do something on my own.
Okay.
Yeah.
And someone
I
gives
know a lot of
startup
comedians
idea.
like that, huh?
Yeah,
Yeah.
some startup idea on how can find true love, and with some algorithm, they find one lady, Tekapetta Damodara Tabbe Param Sundari. Okay.
Oh, it's a comedy, or?
It's not.
Oh,
It's
In 2025, they're making that joke.
and they go to Kerala to find her, and this one, and guess Siddharth Malhotra has one friend. Guess the ethnicity of the friend.
Oh.
Wait.
He has okay. He is not funny, so the friend has to be funny.
Oh, then he's from South only, right?
What?
No, he's from Bihar, I guess.
No, Sardar, bro.
Oh, sorry.
Dude,
sorry,
this
sorry.
is old.
Oh, I
This is
didn't think-
even more.
My God.
Yeah, it's like Tarak Mehta only.
Yeah,
with-
Sardar
Bala,
friend.
bala, bala.
Sardar friend to Burra. So this guy goes, and first scene of Janvi Kapoor as Param Sundari is she's doing Bharatanatyam with a Chinese fan.
Oh, why? That's what they do.
And then
Yeah.
Siddharth Malhotra goes for running a nurse who's a nympho
Oh,
in
course.
Kerala.
of course.
Okay.
They're,
Yeah.
educated,
And
liberated.
who's just like, just let me do a full body checkup on you.
Okay.
Okay, and then the best part.
The other woman.
Best part, Siddharth
Yeah.
Malhotra, I don't have range. And Janvi Kapoor is like, look outside. One guy has climbed up a coconut tree
Oh, this is what
and
became
calling
famous.
someone. Is like, that's the only way you can get range over here.
Jesus.
So it's Kerala, you have to show coconuts.
Yeah,
right? Also have to
Coconuts.
make
Within first 2 minutes.
Within
the moment you show Kerala, it has to first coconut. Then you
Yeah,
zoom out
yeah.
to show
Dude,
Kerala.
and people who suppose people go to Kerala after watching Param Sundari, they'll be like, dude, Param Sundari gave range everywhere.
They changed it. They changed it.
Man, Kerala was one way before
Yeah.
Param Sundari.
Oh yeah, this is the famous thing from this is she climbs the
She climbs
tree.
and
That's the thing
that
I've
is
seen.
whatever.
Okay.
DIY coconuts always, which is
Yeah.
never.
See, this is the
Never.
thing, right? Now you can't make fun of either Tamilians or Kannadigas or Telugu people because the industry have become bigger
Yeah.
and they come to Bollywood, it mixed. But
Yeah.
Kerala is the only industry which stands out.
Yeah.
So you can make fun of them.
they
That's what
are-
they're doing.
Also, they don't take that much offense. I guess they take offense, but not.
But they are like,
in a-
bro, like Bollywood is over now.
Yeah.
Bollywood is
I mean,
dead.
Bollywood imitates the South Indian
Yes.
film industry.
But that
only.
is so racist,
Dude,
man.
and the best part, so these guys land, okay? These guys, Siddharth Malhotra and his Punjabi friend land, and he's like, "Arey, hum kya yaar? Ye amma ammi jagah mein aa gaya hai." And they go in a this literally
Houseboat.
no, they go in a cab, and the cab is like, "Hello, sir, welcome to Kerala." They're like, "Huh, see, he's such a nice guy." Driving, starts drinking,
Oh god!
Because
and they
Ke-
crash.
Oh my god!
Yeah, this Kerala hate has started now. I've seen
I mean,
somehow.
yeah,
Yeah, we
it's-
know the
we
reason.
can make a
but
file out of
yeah,
it,
Yeah,
if you know what I
somehow.
mean.
What do we call that? What do we call, there's a Bengal also, bro. There's a file in Bengal also. All
yeah.
four corners.
Yeah.
Kerala, Bengal, Kashmir files over.
Yeah, yeah.
Only
Mumbai-
Mumbai files are remaining.
Yeah.
And then MP in the middle one. Central.
The
Central one.
empty, bro. MP files are empty. That's not-
MP files.
Man.
that the first racism for me through Bollywood was that Agnipath.
Yeah. The
Amitabh
first
Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan Agnipath. Remember?
Mithun, my boy, my uncle.
Yeah, your uncle.
He won national award for that role, by
He
the way.
played-
He played
he's
a
a-
Tamilian.
Bro, he's the first OG Robert Downey Jr., bro.
Yeah.
Bengali who played.
That's right. That's right. He did that. He went full Tamilian.
Yeah, he did like the
Yeah.
Chennai Express, like
yeah.
Bro, and he won national
coconut mein
award.
lassi milake.
Yeah, dude, exactly. Arey, amma, aap kaise? Like, he's talking like that.
Amma, chota, bacha,
Yeah.
amma.
That's the right one.
Yeah.
This one, so this Janhvi Kapoor is like, some guys that, oh, ningal ipidi vanna we're like, what the fuck are you even saying?
Oh, is that in the
Bro,
reel from
do that
that?
again. Funny.
Hey, we'll name the episode that. Whatever he said, that's the name.
No.
That is the name.
That's the name of the episode. What you just did. That's the name of the episode. But she's, is she speaking Mallu fine?
She
Malayalam?
mixes, she couple of words with Tamil. And then I was like, okay, what the fuck? I Googled it. And there's a press conference in which she's like, my character, first of all. Okay, like you're dissecting for
Yeah,
film
yeah.
school.
Yeah.
My character is half Tam, half Mallu. Right? Your name is Tekampattu Damodaram Sundari Pillai or something, Nair, and all those things. Bro, there's no chance. No chance. Dude, you sound... It's really bad, dude. I paid 150
You
bucks.
said it's not funny, but everything you're saying is funny.
You could have just named her after 4 beaches in Kerala.
yeah.
Ernakulam,
Kolam,
Kolam,
Chennai.
Ernakulam. Just name
Damodaram
her.
Pillai.
Damodaram Pillai.
Ernakulam Express. Bro.
Kolam, Ernakulam, Kochi International Airport.
Dude, so, and then he, Shahid Kapoor learns, not Shahid Kapoor, what is that guy? Siddharth Malhotra.
Malhotra.
He learns Coloripate
Oh,
in his
all
own
the
way.
main things
In his
he
own
learned.
way. You know, he makes it his own, you know what I'm saying?
Did they go to Dubai in the movie?
That
Yes.
is a
Second
classic
part.
Param Sundari.
That's
That's
the second
also
part.
most of the times you see a North Indian guy coming to South India
Yeah.
to get the girl.
Yeah.
The opposite you don't see in Bollywood.
South Indian guy.
South Indian guy coming to North
No,
India.
they won't allow that. Of
Yeah.
course. That's
Yeah.
the, you
That's
know.
the Veer Zara complex, bro. You know?
Yeah. Wow. So, medical.
Now, if they make a sequel to Veer Zara, they'll be getting divorced and he'll be sending her back to Pakistan.
That is what is Veer Zara plot? Veer Zara plot?
Veer Zara, India
Indian
guy,
boy.
Pakistani girl.
That's
You do
the
the
plot.
opposite, right? Then
Honey pot, bro.
Honey pot.
Listen, DRDO chief
Yeah.
also
It's
tried doing
the opposite is Sania Mirza. She did it in real life. And that's ended now.
Mirza Malik.
this. Veer Zara.
No, but of course, there the main thing is Indian guy and Hindu Indian. Indian guy.
Yes, yes,
Muslim,
yes.
of course, Pakistani
Yeah.
Muslim girl.
Yeah.
So that's the thing.
Mm.
That was like back in the Samjhota Express days.
Yeah.
Things have changed now.
Yeah.
Now Veer Zara would be an action movie, like pure action.
Yeah.
You know?
Where they have to,
I love you.
Yeah, Veer and Zara just have guns. They're just
bro.
shooting.
Veer Zara sequel has to be Veer Zara Files, bro. Then you find out she was a spy all along.
Dude, but this files hack is awesome,
Yeah.
bro.
It's
beautiful, man. All the
Everything
files.
files, bro.
But
Because
the
if you
names
use-
are names they nailed.
The
Yeah.
thing is, if you take files, a person who's done no research assumes this is a documentary. This is
Exhaustive.
accurate. This
Yeah,
is real.
yeah.
You can just if you name something files, you're
Yeah.
like, I
Yeah.
trust this.
Yeah.
Now I don't trust the word files at all because the guy has taken it from
Only
us.
2 places files are used, bro. Movies and government offices.
Yeah.
And you can't trust any. That's the point.
I trust the government offices,
Those
bro.
are real.
Yeah.
Those
Yeah.
exist. But
Yeah, bro.
have you seen any of these the files?
No, I couldn't watch.
Kerala Files,
no,
bro,
I
come on.
couldn't.
No, I
Let's
Because
do it.
they're also like after I think they won a national award for best cinematography.
Oh, really?
Yeah, to because they showed the reality.
Beautiful. huh?
And then so I saw some clips of it talking about how good the cinematography was.
Okay.
And I mean, obviously, like I'm in the Mallu this
Yeah.
one, so
Yeah.
so yeah, that's all I know about it.
I have
But
to
it's
check it
all
out.
like I know one thing, which is that they start when they launched the trailer, they were like, "This is so accurate! Oh my god." We found it,
Yeah.
and then the court was like, "You can't do that," and they're like, "My bad."
Bro, funniest part is the start with 32,000
Yeah.
people or something
Yeah.
joined ISIS. Court said, bro, be real. 3 people joined
It's a decimal error.
It's a rounding error.
Rounding
We put a lot
error.
of rounds at the end.
It's the Paisa rupee. But is it in Kerala? Of course, that movie is hated.
Yeah.
But somebody who goes in Mallu watches that movie and likes it is socially boycotted.
No, I don't know. The thing is,
must
I'm
be
not in that
some
circle.
ones,
I'm not in
yeah.
the like the tight circle over there because I mean, at home it is Kerala Files only.
Yeah. Okay. The only
Same, bro.
Only 5.
My parents are waiting for Odisha Files, bro.
Odisha
Free by
Files
the
would be
ticket.
they'll be showing Bengalis as the villain. for sure. The Bengalis fucked everything up for us.
They show Bengalis with the eye makeup and all.
Yeah.
Dude, that is the thing, right? In Odisha, it still has that Bengali, so like, don't trust them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I told you, right? In Odisha, they said don't trust Bengalis. In Bengal, they said don't trust Assamese. It moves one state to the east. It's pure parents like mentality that no, don't trust the next state.
You
But-
guys have a debate on who Rasgulla debate is
Yes,
there, no?
yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Who?
yes.
So what is the what's
I mean,
the truth?
both states claim it. So
But
I mean,
based on the
let's-
facts, the files, the Rasgulla files.
How many
Files.
cooks you had
How
in
many
your
cooks?
life? How many cooks you had in your life?
2.
How many of them were Odia, bro?
this is not the way to do it.
No, mine is a
Debate.
robot cook I have.
Which cook is making rasgulla at home? Only non-cooks make rasgulla. They're like, let's put this shit together.
But historically they found out that it's from
don't talk
Odisha.
like this Indus Valley civilization. This is historically,
Bro, I'm reading my WhatsApp forwards.
all the files are releasing except Epstein files.
My-
That's the only ones that are
Yeah.
not coming out.
Yeah, that file we all
one,
want,
bro. Yeah, that's the file.
That's
the
the
real
one I'm
file.
waiting for. The same guy, what's his name, the director? Vivek
Agnihotri.
Agnihotri needs to
Yeah.
make the Epstein file.
Yeah. It is like Epstein list would be better. Like a Schindler's List, Epstein list.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's true. In black and even in black and white, even this one is black and. It's
So why I don't trust Bengal with the Rasgulla thing is because
let's
hear me
go.
out.
Sorry to distract you.
Yeah.
Because they went and filed first. It's
Okay.
ours.
I'll give you that. That's
so
even
that's
I
why
don't
like,
like
bro,
that.
Even I
nobody
think
was
so.
competing
Yeah.
here.
I
like
think
how
so.
someone in US filed patent for yoga and we were like, yo,
Oh,
yeah, no way,
yes,
it's ours.
yes,
I
Yeah.
think Bengal claims it in the way of saying that Odisha is. It was Bengal only before.
Okay.
The heist of the century or something they're calling it. Like
Yeah.
how good
It's
can
good,
it
bro.
be?
I finally fucking learned how to pronounce Louvre, bro. It took me 33 years, but
This is
Just
what it
one
takes.
crime we need to
Yeah.
talk
So,
about it.
think about the education that thieves are bringing in the world. Right? We're learning these terms. But you know what happened? I just saw one low-res file of them cutting a hole in the
So
window.
they got one van behind the Louvre, got a ladder. 7 minutes.
Ah.
They were in and out.
Thala for a reason.
7 minutes.
Thala for a
And
reason, bro.
They dropped one jewel.
Yeah,
while
the
leaving.
crown or something,
Crown.
no?
It broke also.
Oh, they dropped it?
Yeah, dropped one in the. And the others. So they are getting all these people who collect on all these items, stolen item, black market. They're getting them to interview. And everybody is saying that we have 24 hours.
Ah.
Otherwise, we'll never find it. That was
Yeah.
3 days ago.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
gone. So it's gone.
It's over.
They say that about regular kidnapping also. They say
Yes,
24 hours.
yes.
I imagine in some poor suburb or some ghetto in France, one
Yeah.
guy is walking the crown on. They're like, hey, where is this from?
Dude, I saw a lot of funny Instagram reels where girls are like, guys, I was telling you, my boyfriend got me a lot of very nice jewelry.
That's funny.
So,
Yeah.
but see, they stole something that's insanely like precious or
Yeah.
whatever. So how do they make money from it now? How do they sell it?
They will remove the gems. They'll basically disintegrate it.
Is it?
Yeah.
So that is one. The other is there are all these what do you call it? Rich oligarchs in all
Yeah.
these
Yeah.
non-democratic countries
Yeah.
with a lot of wealth, and they want to showcase in their house, so they buy
Correct.
in black market.
But
Correct.
then someone who knows in those circuits about these things will
Yeah.
be like, this is the one, right? That's
Yes.
stolen.
So they got one guy who's connected. He's like, in 3 days, I might get to know
Okay.
that where is it at
Yeah.
right now? And he was saying that
What did you say? Subscribe to my channel or something. In 3 days, I'll get to know though.
My next episode is premiering 3 days from now.
yeah, but Hollywood is already making a movie on it for
100%.
sure.
100%.
Dude, Hollywood is
Like-
firstly them Netflix is taking the rights for Catan, the board game.
Oh, wow.
Anything Catan they are going to
Catan
make.
is Catan, right?
Whatever. I don't know how do you say it. How do you say it?
Settlers of Catan is what I know.
Settlers of Catan.
Catan, I say.
Catan it is.
Catan.
No, Catan. C-A-T-A-N.
Okay, but you are saying a different game.
No, I said Catan.
Catan.
only.
Acha, Catan.
Settlers of Catan. They've taken the rights. So any movie, anything in that universe, they will make. They've decided. Which is like,
Hmm.
if they can take a
That's where
board
we've
game,
reached now. Yeah.
You have to. The heist, though, you have to. That's the first
Yes.
kind of thriller you've
Yeah.
ever made.
But they're waiting for it to get solved also because then it's a
Yeah.
good movie.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
like you have to find you have to
Yeah.
create characters. Otherwise, you can just get the
Yeah.
script.
That one murder mystery in Netflix recently last month was released.
Hmm.
A week after that, they caught the guy.
Which one?
I forgot some pizza murders. Or
Okay,
something.
okay.
Some I forgot the name.
Oh.
And the week after that was released, they finally through DNA solved it.
Oh,
Damn.
So what are they waiting for?
Probably.
I don't know.
Probably this is all there, dude. You never know. These people
Yeah.
are working together. They're like, this is almost solved. They'll release it around that time. Because then now you're thinking about that case. You go back and watch the show. I don't
Yeah.
trust anything. Marketing teams, they're doing everything. They are planning the world right now. They are
But it's
killing
nice.
one person to
Yeah.
make the documentary.
Yeah.
Like, hey, what if we kill this guy? Next year we can make a show on him. You know, that's how marketing teams are.
Come on, dude. That's
I think Hitman and the Netflix are working together. They're like, who do we kill next? So we make a show
But
on
true
it.
crime, this is going down, no? Like the buzz.
Because how much can
Maybe.
you consume?
I have
bro?
not watched true crime in a long time, bro.
I don't watch.
Yeah.
bro.
I've done like.
I have
okay.
shifted to body cam stuff and all because I like
the
just
fuck?
police arresting people.
That's also crime, right?
Okay.
Yeah,
Body
police
cam
just
stuff.
arresting like whatever drunk driver in the US only drunk driver and they run away and they're like okay cool. There's one guy called Trooper Bird BYRD. He has a highlight reel
Of catching.
high speed chases stopping
Oh,
it.
they
yeah.
do that. They hit the car
Yeah,
and it
it's
spins.
called what is it called? It's called
Some maneuver, right?
pit maneuver.
Is
Yeah.
that legal for a police officer to do that? Releasing
Dude,
the
he has
body
like
cam
comments
footage?
is like if bird is behind you, there's no escape.
Dude, everyone's a content creator.
Yeah.
man.
Captain Steve, dude. Come
Who's
on,
that?
fly a plane, bro.
Oh yeah, that guy. Yeah, Captain Steve. Yeah.
Oh,
yeah. But
yeah.
but he always says that I just came from a flight.
Yeah, he's
dude.
always just
Like,
off the flight.
Go sleep, bro.
His flight is landing perfectly for him to release an episode every time.
I mean, he's like very technical. He's
Yeah.
better. But
Yeah.
dude, after retirement, do it.
Yeah.
Don't do this on
and
the
they
job.
milk that like anything. When
Yeah.
there's a hot topic, which in
Yeah.
the last year one only has been
Yes,
there.
yes,
He's
yes.
been 5 episodes he
Yeah.
has dropped on that.
This year only, bro. What's
Yeah,
it?
sorry, this year. Yeah.
Wow.
Sorry, it
Never
feels.
forget.
No, hashtag. Dude, I was in the. Sorry, since every time we bring up flight, I'll have a new story. I was in
Go
a
for
plane to come to Bangalore. Next to me, there was a new flyer. Very
First time
new,
flyer.
First time type. And he was sitting here, and his wife was sitting the other side.
You in the middle.
I was
Okay,
in the
you were-
middle.
Okay.
The wife was sitting in the front row.
Okay.
We were an emergency exit. He's
Okay.
tall, so he took that.
Mhm.
So he moved away from his family just for some like space. Fair enough.
Fair
Respect.
enough.
And
All right.
mental space, yeah.
And I'm probably.
Yeah.
He said leg space. I don't think he needed
Wow.
any
He
leg
said space.
He said space. All right. He said leg space, and I'm like, yo, this guy is like 5'2". no.
He's holding it like that.
No, his whole family can fit in this row. But anyway, he's looking because every time the flight is doing little turbulence, he's leaning over, looking at his wife. He's like, "Don't
Oh.
and I'm
doing the
getting
Srishant.
yeah. And then once the plane was going down to avoid clouds, and he's like, and he's putting pressure, he's putting tension in me. I'm like, yo, I can also see the plane is going down. But when someone does like this next to you, I'm like, "Hey, let me see out the window.
It's like in like an Emirates, they have a TV to show that.
Yeah.
This guy is the TV for
Yeah.
that. He's like
Yeah, he's telling you what the plane is doing.
landing gear coming
He's
out.
like, oh, now it is pitching, it is
Yeah.
whatever, the yaw is happening.
yaw, yeah, yaw and no, right? Yaw is like this no.
First
Yeah,
time.
yeah,
Dude,
yeah.
we have all done dumb things for flying first time.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Like,
I
say,
was-
this is a hijacking I've said for fun once.
I was, this is not the first time, but
Yeah.
third time probably.
Okay.
Flying with all family members. And
Yeah.
like, you know how in train,
Yeah.
if all are sitting, you can stand and like chill.
Oh,
that's,
no.
That's what I'm doing. Like
Yeah.
all
Oh,
my
yeah,
family
yeah, go
members
on.
are sitting
Yeah,
and I'm
you're
standing.
that
and like,
guy.
You're that
and
guy.
of course I'm trying to get laughs over there. This
Yeah,
is before
yeah, yeah.
comedy also, right?
No, it's like you're telling your family how cool you are. That mid-air also I talk like it's
I
normal.
learned
Like normal life.
Doesn't matter if it's sea level or 30,000 feet. I'm always funny.
I'm ready.
yeah, dude, that's the problem.
Any level,
right?
I'm ready.
Dads used to do that, right? In train, they'll go and get bottle.
Oh,
last.
yeah.
that's it's insane how every dad will
Yes.
get off the
Yeah.
train
Yeah.
and then not show up until last second. Don't worry, there's 1 hour still.
Dude, this in Instagram now I'm noticing this, like there's these observations that people
Yeah.
have which like it has happened to me. I was like,
Yes.
dude, everyone
It's
had this.
Yeah.
Like there was one reel which I saw where like it's like what 2 cats and 1 cat over there. The observation is that when you go to solve a fight with your parents, but they bring up your academic achievements.
yeah.
I was like, fuck.
Yeah.
I've had the same.
But
thing.
Yes.
also, that video is AI.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh,
That's
no.
damn annoying, man. That cat.
It's okay, but still
Yeah.
the observation
Yeah, the
stands.
observation is just
Yeah.
like so
Banger.
universal.
Yeah.
It's insane. Everyone is
That's
doing
why
that.
never let
Yeah.
them fight it out, bro. Never interfere.
You throw weapons.
Veer Zara too.
yeah.
But that's like, in animals, they have this thing where like, at some time in the year, all these crabs migrate together at the same time. They just know this is the time to do it.
Yeah.
We
Yeah.
don't know how they know.
Yeah.
Like parents just know. Like they fight in the same way. No one has
Yeah.
taught them that these are the things. That's our human version of that. Like it's no
Wow,
knowledge.
technical pull,
As a
bro.
Man,
species,
wow.
as a
Use the
species.
crab to bring this basic
This
point.
guy like, I've seen National Geographic once.
Let me tell you one thing
This
about
is all
crabs.
to tell you that I've seen one crab video recently. Alright?
yeah. Man, I was in the flight standing, talking to my cousins.
Yeah.
Fucking
Damn.
Flight attendant comes, he's like, sir, will you please sit down?
Oh.
Shouted, dude. Embarrassing.
Oh, it was
Nothing funny about that.
Embarrassing.
But why? It was like they had said put on the seat belts.
Yeah,
You
they
were in
already
that
said. I
zone.
removed the seatbelt, went and like, acha, flight takeoff
Yeah,
has not
true.
happened. I have 5 minutes, I can chill with them, right? We're all
Oh,
sitting in different
no.
rows. One more embarrassing.
Dude, he lost full, what do you call that, aura points in front of his family.
Embarrassing. This is how dumb I was. That emergency row seats, right? Empty, right? I'm like, oh, it's empty. I can go and sit. I went and sat. She comes and like, sir, that will be 700 rupees. I'm like, all right.
Oh, Rado, save face in front of your
Yeah.
family. You're like, here you go.
Yeah. Tell my dad to pay.
Yeah, actually,
Yeah.
9C, you can ask for some money.
Revealing too much, bro. I just realized, fuck, dude, this is so dumb things. No, I'm saying this is a dumb thing. This is good.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But how's your as we share one thing in common, and that is we both have a vitamin D deficiency.
What? Is that true?
Yeah, I also found out recently. How's it going? How's your vitamin D levels
I'm
at?
a veteran at vitamin D deficiency.
Veteran D.
2017, I've had vitamin. I'm like just.
Oh,
How are your
wow.
levels now? Now it's good.
Now it's good.
Okay.
Because every 3 months, I just buy the tablet and eat it.
One.
That 1 month course.
1 month
60 D60 or whatever.
What
that-
happens
Yeah,
if you
yeah.
overdose on vitamin
It's
D?
actually bad.
Toxic
There
vitamin
is
D.
toxic vitamin D.
Toxicity is really
Yeah.
bad.
And you said, can you like emit?
Yeah, you-
vitamin D?
yeah.
You're like
You
the sun.
can- you can
You
be-
are the sun.
You don't need
Dude, you will not get. That is the worst part. B12 and vitamin D. You will just feel sleepy, but you can't
Sad.
sleep. Sad.
That was my
tell,
symptom.
tell some symptoms, bro.
No, that was my
let's,
symptom.
Let's see if I
I
have
was
it.
Chest
just-
pain.
Chest
yeah,
pain,
the
okay.
bone pain.
Bone pain.
Bone
pain. Here, any pain, you're
You think
like,
it's over.
And I already live a lifestyle which warrants
Yes.
Bro,
all pain.
you know that anytime you have a pain anywhere here and you're like, if the burp doesn't come, you're like, if the burp comes, you're like, I'm fine. That
No,
pain has
for
moved
me,
out.
I pinch it here to see if it's the muscle paining or the bone paining.
Oh,
right?
that's you're the doctor.
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
Bro,
Like, yeah,
again, one more observation. We same, dude, same. I
I
just
check whether it's bone or
Dude,
muscle.
any unease, like sometimes your head is heavy or like something. If a burp comes, I'm like, oh, it was just a burp. If the burp doesn't come, I'm like, where did that go?
burp or fart.
Of
both
course, fart
both
is-
sides.
Whenever
both
I say
sides.
burp, I mean burp or fart. You don't have to bring up the
End to
fart.
end burp.
I'm trying to keep it clean here for the algorithm. All right?
No, but you just feel like sad. There was like a week where I was just feeling more sad than usual.
Sorry, I just said, man, you ever feel like a pain somewhere here and a burp comes and you're like, why did you choose? You were closer to the other side. Why did you come all the way up here, dude?
Took the long route.
This guy took a detour, right?
You want to run up.
Bro, Google Map settings was not on shortest route.
There was
Yeah.
a toll on the other side, so he took the non-toll
That's one
route.
more thing when sometimes you go home or you are in
Yeah.
a wedding, you eat so much you can't breathe.
That's just you.
know what I mean?
That's just you, man.
And then you swallow air so that the air comes out.
You follow hair.
Swallow
hair.
You can't just start a thing like, you know, when you do something and no one else does that.
You have not done that.
I've
Eat
never
so
eaten so much I can't breathe.
No, I'm
What
not,
is that?
It's been a while. It's been a while since I ate that much.
But where you are like, okay, I need to walk
It's still
now.
here, right?
Yeah, I
Yeah.
have to walk it, otherwise it'll come out.
And you know, initially Barbecue Nation, when I'd gone the first
Yeah.
2 times, I had
Yes.
done that. I
Starters.
ate like they'll close down tomorrow.
Yeah.
And this will go
Yeah.
away.
This is the last dance.
I didn't know it's the last thing that will remain after society
Yes.
crumbles. This Barbecue
No,
Nation.
for me, this thing, it's always been someone close to me who has fed me this much. Like my pep,
Yeah.
if you buy something like a roti and all, and with 1 extra, 2 extra remaining, I was like,
Oh, yeah,
eat
yeah.
it off. Eat it, why you gonna waste it?
Yeah.
Eat it off, and I'll stuff, and I'm like, oh,
the thing
die.
is, say that same in how they will say in Param Sundari, bro.
This is, oh, you thought I'm chat GPT or what?
Do it, but in Param Sundari.
Payasam, huh?
Sure, that sounds like fun.
Tekkampettu Damodaran Pillai.
But
Oh, Marannu.
the
It's like when you don't know like an accent or a word, when you're speaking a language that's not native,
Yeah.
you keep your mouth closer so that you can eat some words. That Janvika was doing that. Like she doesn't want to say marannu. She's scared if she like mispronounce anything. So marannu. She's
maybe
covering
she's
her
like
face.
then she'll put it on the character. My character's actually not confident
Yeah,
in saying
yeah.
words
She,
clearly.
Janvi Kapoor, let's be honest. I'm a fan of Janvi Kapoor, right?
But dude, 10 consecutive flops, bro. Fucking crazy.
Janvi Kapoor.
As a
Wow.
lead.
Dude, after watching Param Sundari, you read all that.
Yeah, dude, I was
Just
very
to
angry.
Dude, even
feel
Fast
good.
and Furious stopped at 9 and they're like, let's go till 10.
She was like, let's make the closer.
How she already made 10 movies? That's crazy. The
Yeah.
speed is insane.
Yeah.
That's like top 10 Fast and Furious movies. The 10th one is the best one because it's not made.
The 10th one will blow your mind. And then it's like, we were just joking. There is no 10th Fast and Furious.
That Watch Mojo.
Watch
Watch Mojo.
I hate that Watch Mojo when they
Yeah.
give the honorable mentions before
Yeah.
number 1. I'm like, I don't want.
Yeah.
I've come
Oh,
to
you
number
guys also
2.
watch it, dude. I watch it.
I used to
Yeah.
all the time watch it. Before.
Yeah.
That music, I know that Watch Mojo. They changed the music.
Dude,
I don't
they
like it
on
anymore.
purpose now. You know what they do? Like very divisive statements.
Yeah.
Like 10 best songs whose cover is better than the original.
Oh.
And
Oh
they-
yeah, they
and
get
then-
viral from that.
Dude,
only.
then everything, dude. How can you put this? They put
Yeah.
one song. This one, the Sound of Silence.
Huh.
Yeah.
They're saying the
cover is better.
than the original, dude. Of course, people are gonna comment.
Because
that is so
no,
smart.
they
Rage
know,
bait.
it's pure
Yeah.
rage bait because
Yeah.
it's also it'll get the generational war
Yes.
started in the
Yeah.
comments, which
Yeah.
is the
Yeah.
main thing. Like get the oldies to comment by saying their song is shit.
Yeah.
That's how you
Yeah.
get them. Wait, speaking of which, I was seeing I do this every month. Anu Malik copied songs compilation.
Yeah.
It's like a 10-minute
.com.
video and it's part 1 of 6. Dude, he has copied every song and once in a while he has copied the same song in 2 movies.
Oh.
He's so lazy he couldn't hear a new song.
Yeah,
He's
he-
like, I heard that one yesterday. I'll do that again.
There was more to be
They didn't
more to be
appreciate.
stolen from that movie.
Dude, he's just Preetham also. Like these guys are not.
Dude,
they are
Preetham-
just good music listeners. Even
Preetham,
I
dude.
listen to music.
Dude, Preetham, we were doing in the quiz one question which
Yeah.
was there where like this guy has stolen like some fucking ton of songs from the Amir Diab and Tarkan,
Yeah, Tarkan.
and all those things. And
Released.
in Spotify, this guy is at 60 million. Preetham is at 60 million. Those guys are like 2 million, 3 million. This guy copied and became a bigger
But
guy.
that's the
Yeah.
thing. People, the argument they'll make is we heard these songs because of Preetham.
Yeah.
Which is true, but he never gives credit to them.
Yeah.
Like you don't know about the original artist.
Some of his Pritham songs are like either that verse,
Mm.
but Dhoom song is line by line
Really?
copy,
Yeah.
dude.
Yo.
Inul Daratista.
Okay.
That's the artist.
That's
I
why it's
might
tough to
pronounce-
Shazam.
Yeah.
The
This
tough
is the
to ask
song.
Alexa.
okay.
for.
Let me try.
Is the song?
Bum Bum.
Yeah.
Alexa, play Bum Bum by Inul Daratista.
I told
From
you.
the prelude, it is the same.
It's not even funny.
Dude, this is like the main
It's like
OST.
on
Yes.
the way to deliver the song.
Alexa,
he-
stop.
Come on, bro. Come on now. Why would Indian get hate all over the
Yeah,
world, bro?
man.
and
Dude.
imagine just how big this song is in India.
Yeah.
It's he didn't even say, okay, I'll take the song and add one thing. He's
Yeah.
like,
Yeah,
no, I
nothing.
won't
Yeah.
do that.
From the start.
Yes.
Even that I can.
Everything, ambient sound. He
First
couldn't.
time I heard it as like algae. That fungus, bro.
Oh, algae.
Algae.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah,
you think that's what they say?
Arab. I thought you were talking about Arab.
Algae. He's like
Algae.
there's a football club in Saudi
Yeah.
League that has all the gay
Yeah, Al
people.
Ittihad and
Algae.
Algae.
They are not in the league. Let me tell you something. They don't get to play. All right? Ronaldo transferred to Algae next year from Al Nassr.
That's when you transfer out of Saudi, they're like, oh, he got transferred to Algae.
Oh God. But there are some
This
songs.
song, dude. This like
Even this one, Pehli Nazar Mein, you know that song?
Yeah,
right?
Oh,
yeah,
that
yeah,
I've
yeah.
heard.
Exact. Then this one, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare
Yeah,
Ram.
yeah,
That
yeah.
song?
Bulbulaya.
Bulbulaya.
Exact. Tang, 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 tang.
Yeah.
Like direct copy paste.
That's why
and these
it's
are all
so
bangers.
Good
Yeah,
music.
bangers.
Bangers.
No, he knows how to copy.
Yeah.
That is
Yeah,
a skill he
That's
has.
a skill. How to copy.
But I mean, is that a
But
skill?
as a,
copy.
like, are you proud of him? He's like from your state, right?
Oh, I'm like the only Bengali who's not proud of him. I guess. He's like,
He's
he's
Pritham
loved.
Chakrabarti, right?
I guess.
Oh, is he like?
He copied
related?
my last name. That's not actually his last name. He copied it, bro. What are you going to do? The thing is, now you can't say anything. You don't. Maybe he copied my name.
Man. He wears
Yes.
glasses also to copy better, I guess.
Yeah, he looks like he's. That's the other thing. He looks like he's working hard all day. Why do you look like you're working your ass off when you're just copying, dude?
That movie,
Yeah.
the recent movie, is
Metro.
that Metro in
In
Dino.
Dino.
Metro Boomin.
That Metro what?
Metro movies.
Metro in Dino. Yeah.
It was so bad, bro. The music in that.
Oh.
It
Really?
was like
That means it's original.
Yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. And then somebody was telling me that it is also stolen,
Yeah.
but maybe he put more of his riff in
Yeah.
it.
Or maybe when Preetham releases a bad album, it's a sign that the music is not good right
Not
now.
good.
He's not able to copy. properly.
Yeah.
Or-
He's getting angry at the other people.
yeah,
like,
yeah.
He's like, why are no good indie artists coming out now, dude? What is
I'm
happening?
sure he does this. also.
Yes.
Hey.
Hey, you're lactating.
Now it's full continuity problem.
It's all right,
We do
dude.
close-ups for you. now. say what you were saying about Janvi Kapoor again.
I'm a fan. That's what I'm trying to say.
Dude, okay. So, since you brought up Janvi Kapoor, all the star kids, the reason I was saying she's good is the star kids are generally bad actors. They are saying...
Not Alia Bhatt.
No, she's fine.
Not Ranbir Kapoor.
All right, man.
You didn't
They're
think
all
about
great.
it.
All right, I take
His
it back.
Animal was pretty good.
It's a very
Animal,
good
bro.
movie.
That's my jam, bro.
Yeah.
But that movie he's not acting apparently.
No, he's not.
That's
He's so
just-
method.
That's just natural.
Yeah, and as a movie, Animal was like really bad,
Yeah.
very bad. I couldn't finish. Like I
It's-
just
that's the
was
thing,
like-
no one
I
is
didn't even
talking about.
start it.
I
didn't even start
started
it.
it.
No
I'm
one
like,
is saying this. People are saying what's wrong. It's a movie. I'm like, it's a bad movie.
Yes.
Yeah.
Forget the sexism angle or
Yeah.
toxic male. It's bad.
Yes.
It's a bad movie. I fucking accept it.
Yes.
People are like, it was entertaining.
But-
I'm like, what the fuck?
Even the people who found the sexism angle problematic, they liked the movie.
That's what.
Which like they are not saying it's a bad movie. They're like, why is Ranbir Kapoor not being a feminist?
Yeah.
But
that's
it's
what I'm
just
saying.
a bad movie.
Yeah, okay, you're saying the movie itself.
Yeah,
You're
movie
saying
itself
as a
is
movie
bad.
it doesn't work.
Yeah.
Which,
True.
I have not watched it, so I have no comments.
Please watch
I'm just
it.
waiting for like a good
Please
moment.
watch
It's on
it.
Netflix, bro. Watch it.
Yeah?
Animal, the first half of the movie.
Director's cut is on it.
Yeah?
Sorry, spoiler alert.
Oh,
the
no.
First half of the movie ends with one 10-minute machine gun. The no dialogue.
Is there a skip machine gun on Netflix?
But let me tell you something. I watched in theater and I was like, I left the theater.
Hold on. You watch Animal in theater?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I left the theater first half with a headache. Like that
Okay.
machine gun was.
Then you came back.
Then I came back. And then the second half, they're talking again.
Oh yeah.
I'm like, please put the machine gun. The machine gun was way better, dude. The things they said in the second half, like, bring the gun, bro, please. I'll listen to that gun for 1.5 hours, no problem.
That's so it makes no sense, right? It's a realistic movie, and then again there's a machine gun which is
No, it's like I saw the fight scene where everybody with masks, like
Yeah,
it's fucking Ghost of Tsushima, like with
Yeah,
Japanese
yeah.
video game.
Everything is like
Who are these
inspired
guys?
by
that's the thing.
things.
The
No,
music gets you, bro.
Huh? Yeah.
The music is good.
Yeah,
That-
music is
that-
really
Generally,
good.
that comes in you
that
like,
shit
man, the
is
music
banger.
is really good.
The thing is, people are saying that, oh, it's named Animal. They put it in the title. He's
Oh.
not meant to be looked up to,
Yeah.
this
Yeah.
character.
Yeah.
But the way it's shown, he's shown as a cool. They show him cool lead. You don't
Yeah.
show him
Yes.
losing really.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the point. Then show the character getting fucked properly.
That's what this guy Scorsese said about
Animal? He
not
watched?
Animal. It's very similar. So after Goodfellas, there was a lot of Hollywood movies with
Yeah.
violence.
Gangster, huh?
Yeah, they're like,
Gangster.
let's do Goodfellas again. Yeah.
And then he was like, I can't believe that they are showing them as like likable guys.
Yeah. In
That's
Goodfellas,
the
everyone
thing.
loses in the
Yes,
end. Yeah.
That's
And
the point.
yeah,
Then
so-
you leave the theater being like, oh no, they shouldn't have done that.
So
Yeah.
people say they are a fan of Scorsese. Even if you guy ask the director of Animal, he'll be like, "Yo, Scorsese,
Yeah,
my
yeah.
inspiration." But listen to what he's saying. No,
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're first. You only see the first. They're like they're only watching the first half of the Scorsese movie. You know, when
Yeah.
everything is cool, they're like,
Yeah.
we skip the second part.
Yeah.
Fuck that shit.
but you ask no why you watching Netflix documentaries, right? The Charlie Sheen one. You guys watched?
No, the
Charlie
Tiger
Sheen
Blood.
documentary.
Tiger Blood is called, right?
No, it's just called Charlie Sheen.
Okay.
Is it?
It's very entertaining.
What
Oh,
is
yeah?
it?
Two
like?
episode. It's his whole life story,
Hmm.
and the main
But he's
of
Nepo, right?
Yeah,
he's
yeah, Martin
Nepo, and
Sheen.
that is
Martin
the
Sheen.
reason he got addicted.
Okay.
Because every time he got something, he felt like he doesn't deserve it.
Okay.
Like everything, dude.
This is that.
Dude, watch
Dude,
it.
Or
you- what do
the
you say?
hurting millionaire. Like,
Yeah. Dude, he said
Dude,
he's
he's
a
a-
Nepo kid and that's why I got addicted. That immediately reminded me of the legendary Anil
Janhvi Kapoor?
No,
Okay.
close. Anil Kapoor. That scene.
He got
एक तो पापा एक
Oh.
तो
हाँ,
कोकेन का
yeah.
नशा
एक तो
और एक आपके
आपके
बेटे
बेटे-
होने का नशा. That is what Charlie Sheen's life is, dude. Cocaine का नशा and बेटे
Dude, how
होने का
many people
नशा.
will get that? You have to put that clip or
Yeah.
whatever.
Guys, you have
photo.
to see this clip. Anil Kapoor. I can't find it anymore. Which
Yeah.
movie? Please comment if you know. There's a movie
Just type एक तो cocaine का नशा.
no.
don't,
बेटे
it won't come.
कोकेन का नशा
The
और
moment you type
आपके
cocaine,
बेटे होने का
the
नशा.
एक बेटे होने का नशा.
recommendations go
Stop,
away.
yeah.
You type cocaine, there's
Okay.
no
Amrish
suggestions.
Puri, आपके बेटे होने का नशा. Just
Yes.
type this.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's one of the most.
Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. Papa, एक तो cocaine
That-
का नशा.
Oh my god! Even in Mallu movie, old Mallu movie,
Yeah.
that cheers and one clinking, one frame is there. Right?
Yeah, yeah,
Every
clink,
like clink.
Yeah.
Also the
Get
villains.
soda open.
Soda open. The villains in the villains
Yeah.
lair. It
Yeah.
will be like he'll be like, come
Bro,
sit, have a
if you
drink.
this movie this dialogue, there is one Salman Khan movie called Veer Gati.
Okay.
Right? It's nobody has watched it.
Okay.
The dialogue
These are a
written by
prequel.
Christopher Nolan, bro.
Huh? Okay.
That's how deep the dialogue.
Why, what is
Just
that? Tell one
watch it,
dialogue.
bro. It's like so what he does is, right, I don't know if I can say it. One of the dialogue is he comes into the villains, and every villain is trying to recruit him because he's gangster.
Oh, he's good.
And he's a sad gangster.
Oh.
That's never done before, right?
Nice,
He
nice.
talks in philosophical point.
Got it.
And
He's a poet.
What's the point?
He's a poet assassin. Yeah.
And
He
this
kills this pen.
he comes and everybody's playing cards, right?
Yeah.
And he just stands and he guesses who has what card out of nowhere.
Wow.
Ikka
He's a
tera
card
pyara
reader,
hai
huh?
because you are like this.
Mm.
And then he's like, bro, you are so smart. Why don't you join us? And his line is, कसai के मनाने से पंडित की गाय नहीं मरती इक्का सेठ.
What?
What does that mean?
What? That's some, like if you are the butchers. What?
Yeah. पंडित के बनाने से कसाई की गाय नहीं मरती.
Yeah, you
Or
changed
the
it. You
opposite.
did the opposite.
Sorry.
See, Pandit is involved and Butcher is involved.
Oh, okay.
I don't know
Yeah,
exactly.
so that is the dialogue. Just Veer Gati, Salman Khan, 1992.
Why is no one talking?
Why do you know the year also? Like,
DVD rip. DVD rip.
Bro, in college, this was one of the hobby. You will find all these bad movies and just play it, and everybody's laughing.
Actually, these movies which have straight, like they've come and gone in one
Yes.
week. Those
Yeah. Yes.
movies are funny as hell because
Yeah.
there's a reason no one watched them.
yeah.
when he comes in and starts card counting, is hilarious. Starts guessing like Ace of Spades. This
Dude, he does that in like Shuddh Hindi. Even I don't get some of the words. Just on YouTube is there. Full
Oh.
movie.
This is
Just
like he's
hilarious.
like Goodwill Hunting. Like he's a genius.
yeah, it's genius.
Dude, exactly. But he's not smart. That smart.
He's a genius, but he's not smart.
I mean, he chose the
Goodwill
wrong.
Hunting, but he's not smart. Is not anything, bro. He's just a guy who beats people up there.
He's smart, but he doesn't. Is not book smart.
He's not wicked,
Okay, he's not-
wicked
yeah,
smart.
yeah.
He's a street
Rain Man,
smart.
like Rain Man, but street smart Rain
yeah,
Man.
yeah. Somewhere in
Street
between. bro.
smart Rain Man. Sounds like.
Dude, if they made
Uh,
Goodwill Hunting in Indian University, right, where this guy writes the solution on the
Yeah.
board, they will use that guy to cheat in exams. Like this guy
No,
knows
they'll-
everything.
Yeah,
They'll be like
yeah.
the guy who cleans, ask him the answers
Yeah.
for next week's question
Yeah.
paper.
Goodwill. You guys watched like when did you watch Goodwill Hunting?
Yeah, it's been a long time. Yeah,
Ever
Yeah.
watch a second time?
no.
No.
Same.
I want to watch
I
it
feel
now.
like I won't enjoy it again. I just feel like it's that kind of movie which now I'll be like it. It's a little-
But like this one, I rewatched Sicario.
oh, that's
Now
too-
Every
that-
year.
oh,
Every year I watch it.
That,
Wow,
yeah,
dude.
yeah.
every year. Every
It's
year
one of
I
those
have to-
movies you have to
Oh
watch
yeah,
every
that
year.
Yeah.
that is crazy.
Every 4 years I watch Lord of the Ring trilogy.
Oh,
Okay,
damn.
Olympics, huh?
And Sicario is very
Different country. This time in Tokyo. Lord of the Rings Tokyo. 2020.
Lord of the Rings Tokyo Drift.
Frodo and
From the
Sam are
mountain,
like,
and I wonder if you know. Live in Tokyo.
Two Lord, two rings.
Two Lord, two rings.
It's no, you have to drop the ring in Mount Fuji. It's a dormant volcano, so the ring is not getting destroyed only. It's just dropped on land.
Under some snow, he just like hit it. You know what I want? I want to know how in like Hindi sounds for someone who doesn't like understand Hindi.
Yeah. I know the Bengali. My friend said how Bengali sound. I was talking on the phone
Yeah.
with my family, and he said after I hung up, he's like, "This is what Bengali sounds like
Yeah.
to me." And he's
Yeah.
he's a Mallu actually.
Yeah.
He's like he's
Just
like,
say you talk to him, bro.
no. He's like, this is what it sounds, and it was like, accurate. He was like, it just sounds like osho posho 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 ha.
Yeah, there's a ha. You
Yeah,
guys have
there's
a
ha,
you guys
and
have a very
it's all-
profound ha.
and it's push 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 ha.
Yeah.
So he's like every few seconds you're saying ha, I'm catching that, and it's all posho posho after that.
Yeah, because
Well, I can't
hair
argue
in
with that.
every other culture has like a huh?
No,
What?
it's
What the fuck?
ha.
Yeah.
I know, but in
Huh.
your hair
Huh.
is
Yeah, yeah,
like
It's polite.
It's polite, exactly.
So yeah,
Because
he's
I'm
like that.
watching Korean, right?
Yeah.
Korean, it's just they have a sing-songy that
Yeah,
Yes.
that's right.
That is
there.
Korean.
Korean,
Yeah, that is Korean, yeah.
So I want to know what like Hindi sounds like. I want to know
Yes.
all how it sounds
Yeah.
like.
Yeah. I can do the Mallu one, but I'll get in trouble.
It's all right, bro. You
I've already-
blame it
No
on
problem.
him. He
no,
approved
no,
it.
no, I got nothing.
Say, I give you the pass. I give you the M pass. The M word pass I give you.
Oh man, no,
Say
no.
it.
No,
Yeah,
no,
how
I got
does
nothing.
Odia sounds for you guys?
Odia. How does Odia sound?
Odia is very tough, dude, very tough. It's like because I'm Bengali, it's like
Yeah, if you know the words, it's gone.
Somebody
It's
told
very
me it's
close.
like achhi, right? Because you have a lot of that word.
Oh, the ch, a lot of
Yeah,
chs.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, every
Yes.
language has a cadence.
Yeah,
man.
yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I won't do it. I won't do it.
He's come on,
scared,
dude.
bro.
Bro, I remember I put a joke about doing the Mallu accent.
Yeah.
All the Mallus.
But that's like went to
showed
the
up.
wrong people.
Yeah, they
By
were
wrong
like,
And
people,
we
I
will
mean
send this
Mallus.
right there.
Yeah.
We will send it.
and this guy had said, bro, this sounds like Korean accent. One guy had said. And I had the best reply, but I never did it. I'm like, you mean Korean accent, bro? And that would have been goated reply. But instead, I muted the reel.
Yeah. Muted instead of go to
Yeah.
it.
You remove the reel from your profile.
This was the first reel that got views. I didn't know how it works, bro. I was like, there's so much hate.
Bro.
I'm like, I'll archive it.
No
Now I
hate,
I
no
messed
fame.
up.
That's what I say.
What, no?
No hate, no fame.
That doesn't rhyme. At least make it rhyme. No, he's making a T-shirt that no one will buy. No hate, no fame. Free verse.
Put it in different fonts also. Like it's not a part of the
No pain, no gain. Only because of rhyme it works.
He's like, no is there, so it works, right?
no fame, hate, bro.
It's
Come
rhyming
on.
in the first half.
Bro, this is Shakespeare.
Yo, rhyme has to come end of the sentence. You can't rhyme
Bro,
the
this is
beginning.
Shakespeare.
Shakespeare
Yeah.
poetry, bro. E and E.
Yeah. Shakespeare.
Can I be honest, man, about Shakespeare?
Overrated, underrated.
Overrated.
Yeah.
I've never seen Shakespeare. And been like, I
Overrated
get it.
it.
But Shakespeare was not, he was a mass, he was like one.
He was the mass of that
Yeah, he was
time?
Michael Bay of that time.
Shut
he was,
up.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah, you
Then
read
who
about
was
it.
the art film
We don't know
guy
that.
of that time?
Bro, you have to say from your land. Priyadarshan of your
Yeah, Priyadarshan of your land, actually. Priyadarshan came there also and became mass, right? In Hindi also.
Oh,
became
yeah,
mass.
that's right.
Yeah, but he is like the Michael Bay. He was like full, fast filling all the time, tickets sold always.
Dude, imagine Shakespeare
Every
fans.
what do you used to have them? When they used to the place on road. What was that
Street
called?
play. Yeah,
Street
yeah.
play.
Street play.
Yeah,
but
street
it
play.
was theater. They used to call some theater, no, where everybody would gather. I don't know. what
I
it's
don't know.
called.
I don't know. What. But yeah, this guy. So he was like fast filling. He was very, very popular. So his are like kind of like what do you say, tropey topics also.
Mm.
That's why.
In that day and age, that's what was there.
Yeah.
Basically. That's what you talked
So
about.
saying that he's like
Karan Johar. He was like Karan Johar.
mainstream.
Mainstream.
And now he's become niche.
Yeah. Now exactly.
That's crazy, dude. How times
That's how
change.
like people. In school we read, right? In CBSE there was that Julius Caesar one.
Yeah.
fucking-
Yeah.
What segment was there?
Yeah.
I didn't like it at all.
That's what
bro.
I'm saying.
I didn't like
What
it.
part of it did you not appreciate?
Nothing I liked. I didn't like the language only.
The
Like,
thing
Yeah.
is, if you translate it to simple English,
Yeah.
then you read it, you're like, oh, there is
Yeah,
nothing.
basic,
It's
huh?
very
Hmm.
basic. So then they're like, no, you have to read it the way he wrote it. And you
Yeah.
read it, I'm like, I'm not understanding. So what is the good one then? I don't understand. Why are you talking like this?
No, in that whole Julius Caesar thing, the only thing I found unbelievable was Mark Antony. Like the first line where he started talking itself, I would have been like, yo, stop him. But he told like a whole speech to Brutus, like should have just like intervened there a little more over there. I was also reading, I was like, hey, Brutus, get him, cut the mic.
Mark Anthony is also that guy who married
Cleo.
J-Lo, right?
Oh, that guy.
Remember
Yeah,
there was
Mark
a singer,
Anthony.
Mark Anthony.
Yeah,
he used to be Jennifer.
Yeah.
Tell
He looks
some
like
song.
John Mayer. He looks like.
Dude, what's the song? He's very famous. He has 1-2 big hits. Fuck, I'm forgetting. Alexa.
So you removed that reel that got hate because I wanted
It's
to.
archived. Yeah. I keep thinking I'll put it back. I'll put it back someday.
Yeah,
randomly. Yeah.
but we
No, I should put it
all
back. I know.
reels
I
have
just
hate,
forgot
dude.
about
Insane
it.
hate.
Yeah.
Like some of them don't, but most of them.
When you
have lot
first
of
get
hate.
hate, you don't know how to deal with it. Then
True.
eventually you
Yeah.
realize, oh, this is the internet. This is how it is.
This sometimes like I mean I won't tell you some reel which like was a bit that was supposed to be like it's powered on hate, right?
Sure.
But then at one point in time that guy became hated in real life. And people are like, oh, bro, you're so right now. And I was like, no, I don't want this also.
Oh,
I'll tell you,
yeah.
Beer Biceps it was.
Correct.
Beer
correct.
Biceps, when I put it,
Huh.
like, it was like, yeah, whatever. I was getting like, oh, like, everyone is like hating on me, like, how are you shitting on Beer Biceps?
Yeah,
I was like, I
उसका
had
तो
no
इतना
problem.
बड़ा podcast है,
I have
bro.
no
What do
problem
you
with that.
have? Yeah,
Then
yeah.
the whole latent thing happened. And they were like, yeah, you're right. He sucks. I was like, no. Now I'm removing it. It was like when I got
That's went to the wrong audience.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
with the
Then
top-
But you can't. Yeah, that's the thing. You can't control who
Yeah.
it goes
correct,
to.
correct,
Once
correct.
it's
No,
going,
that's a good thing to do.
Yeah, then I
makes
removed.
sense.
I
Yeah.
waited like it was at 990K. I waited for 1 million. Archive. It's like just moral victory. I got
yeah,
that.
yeah. No, that makes sense. Did you put it before the controversy?
Yeah. So when his account got hacked is when I put it. And that time, like whatever, he was talked about a lot,
Yeah.
and everyone's shitting on me.
Yeah.
I have fucking no problem.
And that was the right thing. He was loved by everyone.
Yes.
So you tell, okay, no, this guy is not that good.
Yes, and then
that's
when it
funny.
happened, really, I was
Yeah.
like, "Oh, come on,
Yeah.
dude, sorry,
Yeah.
sorry."
Yeah. And also, a lot of people in India take it very literally.
True.
Instead of looking at it as an exaggeration.
Also,
True.
you kind of put out a joke at least in your head. You're like, okay, I don't need anyone to analyze this too much.
Yeah.
It's just the joke.
Yeah.
But you can't control someone else coming there and writing one paragraph saying you are right, bro, and then one
Yes,
bam, and now
yes.
you and this guy are working together. It looks like, and people are like, "What the fuck is this shit?
I think that's what's happening to a lot of these old poets who are dead, bro.
Who the fuck are you? Who are
All
these
these
poets, bro?"
John Keats and all, bro. Listen what I'm trying to say. Hear me out.
Hey man, we need at least 3 views on this, bro. Don't bring Keats and all into this. All right,
No,
yeah.
I'm saying-
I've never heard anyone say that's what's
Dude.
happening with Keats nowadays.
Man, I've seen what's happening to kids these days, dude.
Because you said you didn't mean it,
getting
and
cooked.
some guy thought you meant it this way. Your joke.
Oh, Keats also was like
Whatever
that.
we are reading is like a thing of beauty is a joy forever, bro. That's it. What he meant, right? I'm just saying.
Yeah.
Right? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah,
Yeah,
when
yeah.
they try to dig deep into
Yeah,
it.
your teacher
yeah.
is like, what did he
Yeah.
mean, bro? He meant exactly what
Yeah.
he wrote, bro.
Yeah, that's true. That is like
Yeah.
Beatles. This John Lennon did this with "I Am the Walrus" song,
Yeah.
and the lyrics have been interpreted like crazy. Oh,
Yes.
this line means this, and then they
Yeah.
asked him. He said, "Because they keep analyzing our lyrics, I wrote nonsense, and I said they will analyze this
Yeah.
also." And they did. It's just every sentence is meaningless. Sitting
Yeah.
on a cornflake. Like it means nothing. People are like, oh, cornflake means he's saying breakfast, which is this guy, this conservative party guy.
It has sugar.
But
Yeah,
that
yeah, yeah.
Lucy in the Sky of Diamonds, that's LSD, right?
That is LSD. They say or not, it is LSD.
That was like
only.
the worst kept secret in the world. Where
Yeah.
we listen to a song.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
yeah.
And I was like, what? Lucy, Sky,
Yeah.
LSD. We're like, oh
Yeah.
no.
And we're like, oh, and then you're acting like we did LSD. You just heard the song. We're like, yo, we are badass. You know,
Oh,
we
play it
listen
again,
to-
play it again.
Yeah. That's what.
Man.
And the same thing with Bhag, DK Bose. That was like a legendary thing they pulled off.
Oh, yeah.
In that day and age, like
Yeah.
to get that,
DK Bose.
to get.
Somebody had to tell me to understand. I didn't get it.
Yeah?
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I mean,
It took me a long time.
Yeah.
I didn't know one told me, but by then it was like the movie had come and gone. I was telling people like, you know the
Well,
song, and they're
in
like,
the-
which movie, bro? I don't remember. anymore.
You watched 10 things you might have missed about Delhi Belly. Watch Mojo.
You guys, I know this guy is not a big cricket guy, but you are.
Hey, no, man.
So, one
Our
second.
fans are not cricket guys.
1 second, bro. It's not about cricket. It's
Okay.
about
It's what-
Virat.
yeah.
Oh, VK.
VK.
The big one.
What do you think about the king getting
Bro,
out outside of stump
I'll be honest.
for 400 years now?
For me, like, I don't like Gautam Gambhir that much, though. I don't see anything else, bro.
So it's a political statement now to watch
Yes.
cricket, right? That's the problem because
Yeah, yeah.
the whole of cricket is owned by someone now.
yeah.
That's the problem.
One thing for sure, which I mean everybody can see, is like this guy doesn't want anybody who's bigger than him in the team, so he can have some control. That is very evident now.
Who?
Classic.
Gigi?
Gigi.
It's like
yeah.
a CEO running a
Yes.
company kind of
Which
thing.
is why, okay, you give him a chance to, but not now. When people like Virat Kohli captained him in the test team in 2000, whenever Dhoni retired. He was part of the team where Virat Kohli was the captain. So, and then now he is the coach of the same team.
But is
It's like-
Virat and Rohit, are they planning to play one more World Cup? Is that
yeah,
the
that's
idea?
the plan. Bro, both of them are like top 5 in ODI ranking. So what is the?
But when was it last? Have you refreshed that page?
Also,
yeah, they
also
are.
they play like
Screenshot
they play 4 ODIs a year now.
That is
That's
the problem.
other thing.
Yeah.
That is another
You saw the
problem.
new meme that they're circling is Virat Kohli needs to get some 27 ducks in a row for his ODI average to come below 50. Like this is the flex.
That is
now. He
insane,
can get
though.
27 more ducks. But like the flex is not he's gonna score 3 more centuries. No one is like, bro, he can get 27
Yeah,
ducks.
but in India, it has become where it's focused on individuals at this
Yeah.
point.
Right, this is our permanent problem.
Yeah.
We
No.
worship random. We want someone to look up to. We don't celebrate a team. We don't celebrate
Yes.
institutions. We have one hero. We need
No,
all these.
I think every sport is going through this problem actually now, where like there's the
There's a vacuum.
yeah, there's a vacuum everywhere because tennis is now solved with Alcaraz and Sinner.
Oh.
But like cricket has like this vacuum.
Yes.
Kohli, Sharma is gone.
Yes.
Football has a
Yeah,
vacuum.
Messi, Ronaldo are
gone.
aging.
Yes.
NBA has a vacuum.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I mean F1 though like that Verstappen is not
F1 this
going
season
anywhere.
is like going
Only
crazy,
one
dude.
sport
Yeah, is
doesn't
it going
have.
crazy?
Because this guy was 80 points behind Verstappen. But he can win now.
Ha, but again, that's like
His
he won
car is
again.
really good.
No,
right?
he's
Yeah.
not going to win.
Huh.
These guy, one of these.
Leclerc.
Yeah, not Leclerc. Oscar Piastri or the other one.
What, he can drive? I thought he didn't have legs.
What the fuck? Arey, Pistorius.
McLaren, both the guys. Lando Norris and Oscar Piastri.
Hey, why is there
They
no
want to.
F1 for them, dude? People, why is there no F1 for people who have like disabilities? When will
My
that happen?
God.
If you're making them run,
Yes.
it's
You
easier
can
to
make
just
them
let them
drive, yeah.
drive a car.
Correct.
Motorsport is better.
Correct.
Yeah, less things to lose also, right? Bro, keep it, bro.
We'll keep it. Don't worry, we'll keep it in.
But yeah, that vacuum
One
is
sport
there.
where there's no vacuum is javelin, bro. We got our guy.
Yeah.
Neeraj
Yeah.
Chopra. He's still throwing things far, though he's injured.
Yeah. He came fourth or something, no,
Yes,
recently?
yes.
World
But he has
Championship.
an injury. He's carrying an injury right now.
Yeah.
But getting back-to-back Olympic medals is
Yeah.
Respect.
Gold and silver. Yeah,
Yeah,
gold
gold
and
and
Can't do
silver,
it, man.
respect.
I can't. Only who else is there? PV
silver.
Sindhu.
You said you
I
can't.
can't do it. I said I can't do it.
Look at this.
I was like, if
What, really, dude?
You know what? Till he got one, I was like, maybe one day I can do it. But when he got two back to I'm like, Neeraj, you won this. You
Yeah.
won this. I can
So,
never.
I
yeah.
can't do it.
I can't catch up.
Yeah,
Bro.
tell me your 12 standard marks.
Be honest, guys. When he won the medal, didn't you that day go out and throw something far? Be like, I think I can do it. And then I saw, oh, it's no, I can't actually. It's very tough to throw very far.
That trend is funny though, where you throw with your dominant hand and you throw with
Yeah,
your
yeah, the other
non-dominant
one, yeah,
hand.
yeah.
It's very funny.
That's so true, man. We used to play catches. That was a game we played, which is how sad is that? That all we did is catch, right? Throw things high.
Yeah.
And in that we had points. Like if you catch left hand, you get 3 points. So we used to all catching with the weak hand became really
Yeah.
good. But throwing with the weak hand up far, you can't do it, dude. I can't do it. It's
Yeah.
Bro,
embarrassing.
we had the best rule. We had in cricket, I mean, one tip, one hand is okay.
Yes.
But one tip, one hand with dominant hand, the next guy is also out.
Non-dominant hand.
Yeah, non-dominant hand.
That's crazy.
That is pure
That
evil,
is
bro.
so evil. The next guy is waiting at the bat. Bro, please, bro. Hey, catch with right, bro. You go with the right and you look at that guy. Like,
Wow.
that's insane, dude. I love when you can make up your own rules for cricket.
But so you have to tell who's going next
Yeah,
before.
yeah, yeah,
Otherwise,
yeah,
there's
yeah,
one conflict. Bro, he was next, bro. I was not next.
The bowler is going next.
I love this,
Yeah,
man.
so
That's so
much.
funny.
We used to play cricket on this guy's terrace. This one guy in
Oh,
our
wow.
class. So funny. This
I
guy.
hope this story ends in a safe way, bro.
He won't even like.
Hmm?
He won't even give water when you go to play in his house, bro. He's like one of those weirdos, dude. But he'll invite everybody to play cricket. on
Okay,
this.
because, yeah, closer.
So there was a broken bat,
Uh-huh.
bro. You hit that 20 runs.
20
Just
runs?
on the field somewhere on the terrace. It's there. Yeah.
That's
You
insane.
playing, you hit the bat 20 runs, bro.
Dude.
Yeah.
We used to do
Making
this.
up rules.
Yeah,
That's what
yeah,
I'm
We
saying.
used to do this in cricket where the obviously umpire is the batting team, someone
Yeah.
is umpire.
Yeah.
So we used to face the bowler as the umpire to distract him. Alright. So I imagine you're running up and I'm facing you, right?
Yeah.
So and we'll just do something and all wide, no ball. Alright, get extra. And then when we stopped that, when I was doing that once and this guy purposely while bowling, he put his hand out and hit me in the face. And he's like, sorry, bro, it was my glasses broke and everything. And we're like, no more jokes, guys. Let's face the batsman.
Enough
alright?
funny business.
We've taken this game to the limit. We had this rule, which is very common, is you can't hit in leg side because leg side it goes in the drain outside.
Yeah,
so only
yeah.
offside runs.
Dude, the same.
Everyone became Saurav Ganguly in our
Yes.
apartments. They're
And
all
there'll be
offside
one
kings.
guy who'll sit down and sweep on the leg side, bro. Just
Oh, I've
like-
nobody has ever swept.
we had the same. We're playing. There's a drain. This one guy, dude, just wanted to hit.
Yeah.
Just kneel down, fucking hit one. Match over.
Dude, why? Like when I was in the UAE, that time there was this guy. We called him. This is not racist, guys. We call he was known as Sudani from
Okay,
Sudan.
He was from Sudan.
He was from Sudan,
Khartoum.
right? And he hated kids playing over there. So what he used to do, like he used to pour hot water from his balcony, and whoever is down will get hot water. So that was like already a problem.
You can be racist towards him, bro.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's all right.
It's not racist when the person is a murderer.
And then this guy would just like so we never like when we hear like Sudani is coming, we run away, and then after that only lores we hear like
Yeah.
he caught one guy, he whipped him 10 times, and he left and all. We are like, what the fuck?
That's so
You should pour
funny.
boiling water.
Boiling one from the balcony he would throw.
This
So
was time pass.
yeah, like because we were making noise between the apartments.
It's
We
a
were like-
It's only racist if you're saying like everyone in Sudan does this.
Yeah, yeah.
Like this is the
But we
you know
call
this
him
is like the
Sudani.
Uno of Sudan. You pour boiling
Yeah.
water on people. We got a final segment which now everyone is talking about on the internet. It's called,
all of them.
yeah, it's a small talk, different year. We are in a different year now, but we'll continue the conversation. How people would have talked then if there was a podcast then, which there should have been. That's what they got
Dude,
wrong.
put some energy, man. What is this?
No, are you kidding me? Dude, our fans would be confused if I put energy.
Yeah.
They're
Oh
like,
my
who's
God.
this guy?
I almost fell asleep over here.
Damn, dude.
That
After having
Doordarshan lady comes
Yes,
in.
sir.
right?
Hey, yo, yo, yo.
We are keeping this.
Doordarshan is in the small talk. Bro. Okay, don't
He's
use
like,
it up right
Namaskar, आप सबको शुभकामनाएं कैसे
Fine,
चल
bro. I'll
रही
do
है?
a retake, all right? Will you tell
Yeah,
me if you're
let's do
happy?
it, yeah.
All right, it's
Whoa.
time for a small talk.
Bro, he's
Sorry,
deaf
I
now, bro.
Fuck the ears. I keep it far away and do it again. Sorry, our production team is deaf
Just
now.
do normally now.
Production team is this is what happens when you demand energy, all right? You damage people's lives, all right? It's time for a very celebrated segment, small talk, different year, and we have Somnath still with us, but now we are in the year 1983.
like,
And,
I'm 92 years old. That's why he's still with us.
That's still alive, still going strong. Vitamin D deficiency, but going strong. It's the year 1983, and we are going to do small talk. And let's go.
How's it going, guys?
Wow. Who talks like that? What does that mean?
Very small
What does
talk.
that mean, bro? Namaste. Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste.
What is, how is it going?
Namaste, everybody.
That thing is going, bro.
Namaste,
Namaste.
namaste.
Man, I'm a little pissed off right now. I'm a little, but I think you think a comeback is happening, hockey?
I think after what we've done in cricket, I doubt it,
I
bro.
do no chance.
Yeah.
Cricket is...
No chance. One time, fluke.
One time you're saying?
Fluke.
I don't think cricket will pick up that
No,
much.
it's not.
No.
It's not the same, right?
Yeah, it's a
Dude.
long game. It's boring. 60
Yeah.
overs.
And
bro.
only
It's
two
not-
people have a bat. Like
Yeah.
in hockey, everybody has
a
one
bat,
all
yeah.
the time. Right?
Man,
Yeah.
I think cricket bat is meant for beating up people. Hockey is for playing. That's
It's
what
more
I
surface
feel.
area.
Yeah.
That makes more sense.
Yeah.
Right? That's how it should
Yeah,
be.
the more surface area is. And it'll
It's
be great
easy,
to-
man. What
Yeah,
the
in
heck?
a
Bro, in
college
this
fight.
black and white TVs, you can't even see the ball properly, bro.
Yeah,
What
that's
color
right.
is it?
That's
True.
right. I
What
think
color is the ball?
color, I assume it's black. When I watch TV, I assume things are
Yeah, black
black.
and
Yeah.
white. Yeah,
But
yeah.
this color TV is picking up, bro. My
I
neighbor
heard.
got it.
Your
Yeah?
neighbor got color
yeah,
TV?
Yeah.
Crazy.
Must be the only one in town right
he's,
now, right?
Making good money, bro.
He's
Yeah?
making money from
What is his business?
He has a underwear business, bro.
Timeless.
Why the hell is he in the underwear business if he has a color TV?
I don't know, dude. Like most people are using it. Like
Underwear is that big now?
Yes.
83.
Yeah.
Yeah.
God
In school,
damn.
I never used it.
Yeah.
Now I started.
Yeah.
It feels good.
School,
Yeah,
yeah,
man.
in school.
That's
What did we
good.
do in school? I wrote on one slate with one chalk all the
You
Yeah,
time.
went
yeah.
to school. I didn't even go to school. Yeah. I went to the US though.
What the hell?
Yeah,
How
I went to
unship-
US. Dude, you know what? I saw there was a TV channel over there.
They have channels?
They have music TV. Music TV. What, you want me to watch songs?
That's so stupid.
Now what? You
Oh.
want me to hear books?
I have to put my ear to the television
So,
screen.
like a movie.
Yeah, you can watch songs.
Huh?
What's the point?
What's the point?
What? I have to listen to songs.
Also, what is channel? We
Time
have one
waste.
channel,
Yeah,
Doordarshan. That's it. What is
Yeah,
channel? I
yeah.
don't understand.
It's unbelievable, man.
Doordarshan is like doing good.
Banger,
now.
right?
Yeah.
Dude.
I
Sorry.
think they got
It's
color
doing good.
cameras also for the color TV.
Dude, you know my favorite TV show? Wow, man. Really insightful stuff. Dude. You know what I really love? My favorite show right now? The news.
Oh,
The
dude,
15
favorite.
minutes.
Favorite.
The 15 minutes.
Every day 6 p.m. I'm glued to the TV,
Bro,
man.
great Doordarshan logo also, bro. They
Yeah, I
really
like it.
put some.
Yeah, just-
Yeah,
yeah,
like
yeah,
to-
design. So who is the artist? I don't know, but it's good.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Because I
It's
don't
good
have.
that we don't know things, man. How
Yeah.
can we know when there is no internet? You know?
Yeah, what
but
is
it's
it,
there
man?
abroad. ARPANET is now going to become
Really?
TCP/IP has come.
Oh, you also went to the US?
No, my uncle came to visit.
Oh, yeah. Wait, your uncle is that Chandrasekhar, right? Who won the Nobel Prize?
Sure. Yeah, that's right. That's my uncle.
Chandrasekhar Chakrabarti.
That's my uncle, and we still don't have color TV. It's unbelievable. Dude, at least give some of that Nobel Prize money. Buy a television.
Dude, I wanted to talk to him on a trunk call, but
Man, I'm though trying to buy a car, bro. I'm hearing about that new Maruti 800.
800,
bro.
right?
Dude,
Everyone's
no,
talking
dude.
about it. Bro,
800 cc, bro. Come
one
on.
year it will be gone. It's too much power.
Yeah,
it's
too
too
much
much power. You don't understand how long will you survive? It's
Yeah.
not sustainable.
Dude,
why are you
I'm-
selling your horse?
That's a good question, though. That's a good question. But I saw the design. It's like compact.
It's
I
one
feel
of the
like
horse?
it's one of those cars that can go in Maut Ka Kuan also. I just feel like that.
Oh.
But your horse can't do that.
Nah, horse
Yeah,
can't do that.
Man, what do
That's
you say?
real moth happens to the
Big horse. Big dogs ke pehle big horse.
man.
Man, I've been reading about this. I don't know if you guys are aware. See, I like to read. If
This
you
guy
don't know.
didn't go to
Yeah.
school.
Yeah, I go to school. I don't know what
I
you're
keep
talking
reading about like different stuff, like reading about this Chernobyl nuclear reactor.
What is that?
Bro, it's a nuclear power plant.
It's
They have
fine.
this-
It's doing good.
They have this RBMK core reactor. I don't think it's safe, guys.
But
What
it's like,
makes you
dude,
think
what
so?
do you know, dude?
Let
I
me
just
check with my
feel-
uncle once. Let me
Yeah,
call
yeah,
him.
check
Yeah,
with my
check with
uncle.
your Nobel Prize winning.
I'll
uncle.
check. Did he win for physics, man?
Yeah, he won about stars and black holes. Pretty
easy,
racist
then
of him to
yeah.
call that
Yeah.
black holes.
Oh,
But I
black-
just feel
it's a-
like it's a disaster waiting to happen. It just
It's a
feels-
holes of.
What? No way, dude.
Yeah.
Dude, in the future, everything's going to be nuclear powered, I think.
In the future, everything will be safe. There will be no wars and there will be no disasters.
Yeah, there'll be a lot of people though. I
There'll be a
feel
lot of
like
people. You
this- we
think-
crossed 70 crores this year, bro.
What? Dude, it's just people
70
everywhere.
crores.
Bro, there's no
People everywhere.
place,
Yeah.
man. There's
Yeah.
no place. People are having two kids and all. How will we
Yeah.
survive
Two?
like this?
Dude, seventh kid by neighbor.
Yeah?
Yeah, the
one with
color TV.
Color TV.
He wants an audience for his.
Why is he selling kids?
He's selling chutneys to all
Bro,
his kids.
you should see the TV. It has a cover, bro. You can
Oh,
remove that.
Oh, the zipper.
That keeps the color inside.
What color is the TV, man? It's grey, right? Yeah. It's crazy. They make it color TV. The TV is still black and white.
Yeah.
Make the TV also colorful, man.
Man, did you guys watch?
This is the future. They're gonna do this.
Yeah, they're going to make color TV,
Yeah.
right?
when I heard my neighbor has color, his neighbor has
Yeah.
color TV, I thought the TV is color. I want to see my show in black and white only. Why are you changing the
Yeah.
color of the show?
worst part is like my neighbor is colorblind, bro.
Dude,
So-
any
I don't do
good,
bits, man.
any good movies you watched?
Movies.
I watched.
My favorite, bro. Coolie. Loved
Coolie?
Coolie.
Coolie?
Amitabh Bachchan almost died in
Dude,
that
I
movie.
watched Agnipath, and I think
He's the
Tamil. Tamil is that right? I think
Yeah, that's the
accurate
Very
representation.
funny, no?
Very funny.
He's
Yeah.
the perfect
Undergundu,
represent-
right?
Dude,
That's so
finally
funny.
somebody spoke South Indian language in
Somebody
India.
got
Yeah.
the Madras constituency
Yeah.
accent
And I
right,
think-
finally.
This law, since independence, South Indians have been like ignored. He finally put them in a movie,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now
Just
everybody
Dude,
understands.
I just want a
36
catchy
years.
song.
36
Yes,
years it's
36
been.
I want-
36
you went to
chambers of
school,
Shaolin.
bro.
I wish they had a catchy song to just get us into it, no? Like just to
Into?
get their culture,
Yeah.
to know about South India in the culture, like, something about, like, how I heard the coconut, they put lassi and drink. So,
Yeah,
like, it gives
yeah.
a, like, catchy song.
Yes.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. With their, what is that thing they wear?
Lungi.
Lungi.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
Lungi dance.
Dude, we need
Lungi
that.
dance. Yeah, that's
It's too. I think the world's not ready for that. But maybe in 50 years, someone will get the
Yeah.
confidence
Yeah.
to.
50 years,
find
I
it.
think India's population would be like doubled, more than
You think
doubled.
so?
And
No.
we would have like lungi dance and all. I
Yeah.
think so.
Yeah, 40 years. 40 years. Sorry, I think. Let me recalculate. I think about 40, 45
Yeah.
years, things are going to change completely.
But you should watch that movie, bro, Coolie.
Yeah?
Amitabh Bachchan, somebody stabbed him while, that's the
He didn't
method
get
acting.
Not stabbed, he punched.
No, while punching, he stabbed him really.
Oh, what?
And Amitabh Bachchan almost died
What?
in Coolie. That's why I went to watch
Dude, but
that
is,
movie.
is he going to survive?
He survived.
Yeah?
He survived.
No, like, complications, right?
No.
No. He survived.
But
it
it'll
was,
be tough. No, he'll have to retire or something.
yeah.
No. Yeah, actually, maybe. he'll have
Yeah.
to retire.
And he made enough money.
But
Yeah.
the best part is.
He should
I just hope he invests wisely.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I hope he
He
invests
should
wisely.
get into TV, I feel. something
No.
to
You know,
do.
one thing, whatever you can damage Amitabh, however, one thing will never change: his hair, dude. Beautiful hair.
Beautiful
The
hair.
Best hair in
That's
town.
genetics, bro. You
That's
can't.
genetics.
You can't
That's
buy
all
that.
natural, and that will never change.
Yeah,
Everything
never
will
change.
age, but
No
his
chance.
hair won't
No
age.
chance.
That's
Yeah.
what I'm predicting.
Yeah. But even that, I was watching that movie Coolie, right?
Huh.
Coolie.
I love Schoolie, man.
Bad. You got one color
This guy
TV?
looks like he read only one thing in the newspaper. Schoolie.
No, don't you think Coolie is like very stable job?
It's a stable
Unless
job.
somebody comes with a bag with wheels, it looks like a very stable job.
Bro.
No one has done this before. We just invented a thing where when you like something, we let's do this. We'll give high five. Let's
do
call it
this.
high five.
Let's do this. I have a name also. Samsonite.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Sound
I just came up with
futuristic.
it.
It's
Futuristic.
indestructible, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just came up with it.
That's
What
amazing.
about a tourister?
What about Kokobara?
Okobara, what
Sounds
is this?
also like foreign.
Yeah.
I think again it's like 45, 46 years too early for brands like this. But
Yeah.
I see a bright future for
I
this
see,
idea.
yeah.
Yeah, let people have jobs.
That's a great
You
idea,
can't
man.
take those
Dude,
jobs.
I'm sorry, I don't feel comfortable carrying my 3 clothes in anything except a steel dabba
Yeah.
with
Yeah.
solid edges.
Yeah.
If you touch
Correct.
it, you'll cut your hand. You get tetanus. That's what I want.
Yeah.
It protects my.
True.
I don't like this all this soft.
Soft, like, what was that material? Plastic?
Plastic. Hey, that's got no future. Plastic. Are you kidding me? What are you doing with
What
it?
is plastic? It has to be metal.
It has
Yeah.
to be
Makes
metal.
It's metal or cloth?
Only
Yeah.
place I like plastic is when I drink water. I want it in a plastic thali. I tear it with my teeth and
Yeah.
I drink it.
Oh.
Yeah.
Rail neer. I assume
Yes.
that's.
It's 10 paisa, no? They increased the price. It's 10 paisa.
10
now.
paisa.
What?
Yeah. They increased
Bro,
it.
they think money grows
Dude,
on trees or
inflation
what?
is
Yeah,
killing,
yeah.
dude.
These things, these people, man, seriously.
Man, train. I went on a. I recently went to Mumbai.
Ah.
25 hours late, bro. Train.
What?
25 hours late.
I mean, that's
Like-
good only.
No, normally 16 hours.
Huh.
But 25 hours late.
Hmm.
Hey,
But did you have
increased.
anything to do there?
No, I was just went to see the new Taj hotel that was there. No, I just
So,
beautiful.
dude, what location, no?
Very good.
The
very
best-
good.
Inaccessible
Inaccessible.
Yes,
That's the best
yes.
part. No one can get to it from anywhere.
from either
anywhere.
side. Only through the road you
Next
can
to
get
it is
in.
the ocean.
Yeah.
Who can
Who's
come
gonna-
from the ocean? Are you kidding me?
Dude, the birds over there flying. It looks beautiful. dude.
Yeah.
It looks beautiful. It's gonna stay for a while.
Hey, Nobel Prize is $1 million, right? Is that still what they're giving? In the past? I mean, in the present. Sorry.
Nobel Prize
I don't
is
know. He didn't tell you, your uncle.
$20,000.
I'll check with him. I'll write to him. In
Yeah.
1-2 years, I'll
Yeah,
get
we'll
her
find
back
out.
and we'll be
Nice,
we'll be
good
back.
work, bro. Congratulate your uncle
Yeah.
on
Thank you,
my
uncle.
behalf.
Thank you, uncle. I think we got it, man. That's the longest we've spoken.
But watch out for that nuclear reactor, guys. Little worried right now.
Watch out.
Bro, watch out for that nuclear reactor, guys. They're going to make a TV show on it. Watch out for it, all right?
All right.
Releasing soon. That's what a Chernobyl says, releasing soon. And you're like, oh, movie? No, bro.
Radiation. Yeah.
Awesome.
All right, bro. Thank you very much.
Thank
You
you,
want to do
guys.
some plugs?
Yeah, next week this is coming out.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, just follow on Instagram, guys, at Somnath Party. That's it. Thanks for having me,
Podcast
guys.
you have?
Podcast. Check out my podcast with Jyotin Patro. It's called Bamba Mentality.
that's right.
The meaning. Come to the podcast to find the
oh,
meaning of it.
nicely breadcrumbs.
Call
Both
to
of
action.
them have been on the podcast before. Just check
That's
out
right.
all the episodes.
Come,
Very
come.
funny.
We have talked
Yeah.
about many things in the past.
Yeah, well, a lot of things.
Check us out also. We're on tour as usual.
On
and
tour, and there's a game show that
Oh, yeah.
we are doing. Statistically speaking, please come to that as well. It's on Bangalore. It's in Bangalore, Underground Comedy Club.
Nice.
Please come. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.